Okay, coming through with something new for today, teaching people the money lessons I would say on my way to get rich. You know I won't switch, I'm gonna keep it real all the way. So if you're trying to get rich too, listen to what I gotta say, because most people out here trying to tell you what they did to get rich. I'm telling you what I'm doing to get rich, and you can see me along the journey. So for today, I'm gonna talk about Webull. Webull is basically a stock exchange. So I'm gonna explain what Webull is. I'm going to talk about why it's different from other platforms, especially like Robinhood, ones that are similar to it. I'm going to talk about the process of setting up an account and getting started with your free stocks, and that's huge. So make sure you stay tuned, because I'm going to explain why this is the best deal out there right now by far, and how you can pretty much open up an account with like $100 and get like an instant 20% free. So as far as I can see, there's nowhere really else you can do that right now. I'm going to talk about the benefits of using Webull over other exchanges, and then I'm going to talk about why I use Webull. So really, my own personal thing, Webull is probably maybe the fifth exchange that I've used. So like I use a couple other exchanges already. I had been on Robinhood, maybe that was one of the first ones. So Robinhood was the only other mobile app exchange that I use. The majority of exchanges I use are not through the app, but Webull I think is way better than Robinhood for a few reasons, which I've discovered that I'll get into. And now I don't even use Robinhood anymore. I've still got some stocks on there that I'll just leave on there and see what happens. But yeah, Webull for so many more reasons is so much better in my opinion. And yeah, so getting into it, before I do, if you want to hit the like button, if you're getting some kind of value out of this, please do. It helps more people see it. YouTube will show this to more people, and that's my goal, is to help more people get money. So anyway, what is Webull? Webull is a stock trading exchange that has free trading. That means whenever you make a trade, you do not have to pay a commission, which is pretty much the standard now. If you're on any exchange where you're paying a commission to trade, get off it right now. It's stupid. Webull is not the name of the bank that holds the funds. That is Apex Clearing Corporation, and it's called a holding company. They have a very good reputation, and it's SEC secured. I don't remember the exact amount it's up to, but I mean, if you're just getting started, it's going to be hundreds of thousands of dollars that you're going to be secured. So, you don't have to worry about losing your money. How is Webull different from other platforms like Robinhood? Well, one way to look at it is Webull is more complicated than Robinhood. And another way to look at it is that Webull has way more features than Robinhood. So I see Robinhood as being really simplistic, and that's good for some people that are just starting, but you're not going to learn much because it's so simple. And a lot of Robinhood is, look at the Wall Street bets. A lot of Robinhood is people getting in over their head. They're not really learning as they go. They're buying stuff that is like recommended through Robinhood, which, might not always work out too well. I'm always telling people that with investments and with anything else in life, really, it's best to do some research and then make your own decisions. Don't do something because you think someone else is a professional and they're telling you what to do, like they know better than you, because you'll never learn that way. You have to make the mistakes yourself. You have to start out with small amounts of money. Don't go throwing everything in all at once. You'll just learn over time. But if you try to have everyone tell you what to do, I mean, what's the point of that, right? What's the point of living life having someone tell you what to do every day and not thinking for yourself? So yeah, there's a lot more information on Webull than there is on Robinhood. This is gonna help you understand charts a lot better. Me personally, I feel like my strength is more in technical analysis than fundamental analysis, but I have been studying business and been starting businesses. I'm an entrepreneur for many years, so it's a lot easier. I feel like I already understood, a lot of this fundamental analysis stuff, understanding, companies' balance sheets, but I'm learning a lot more of that through this investing. So yeah, The one thing that is different from Robinhood that I do not like is they do not sell fractional shares, meaning like if you want to buy say a Shopify or a Google, when their price is over $1,000, but you only want to invest $100, you can do that on Robinhood, but you cannot do, and you can do that on a few other sites too, but you cannot do that on Webull yet. I'm pretty sure within the next at least year, if not two, that'll be something for you. So before I get into some more benefits, I'm really gonna give you this information that I think you came here for, is a process of setting up an account and getting started and how to get your free stocks. So really, I'm gonna put a link below that you can click, and then you just click that link. It takes you right to the site. You don't have to set it up originally on your mobile. You could set it up on your PC, laptop, and then once you have that account, you can get the app if you want to do it that way. Whatever is easier for you. You just have to deposit at least $100. See, I'd say if you're just getting into this, that's a good amount to start with. And they're gonna give you, I believe right now is 4 free stocks, anywhere from I think 2 of them are gonna be maybe $2 to $5 stocks, but then the other 2 stocks are gonna be anywhere from $8 to, if you're really lucky, I think they'll give you a couple $100 stocks or something like that. I ended up getting basically $20 worth of free stocks when I started, and the other people I know who use Webull have pretty much all gotten the same thing, about $20. So pretty much that's a 20% boost right away when you sign up. And if you don't like the stocks they give you, you can sell those right away. Yeah, link's gonna be below. Go ahead and click it. Get started. So I'm gonna talk about some more benefits of using Webull. And this is my favorite benefit. So Webull, I use just for trading, right? I don't do too much trading. I mostly just buy and hold for a longer term, but I enjoy trading a little bit, and sometimes I see trading opportunities, something that I don't really want to hold long term, and I just want to get in and out. And for me, Webull is perfect for that. Webull, it's on my mobile phone, but the main reason is these extended trading hours. On Webull, you can trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's a huge deal, because every other site that I have, you can only trade when the market is open, and that's 9 a.m. Eastern to 4:30 Eastern. So things happen after price changes, after the market closes. Price might change early before it opens, and Webull, you can take advantage of this, and that's huge for trading. It's not that big of a deal when it comes to buy and hold, but for trading, it's a huge deal. And Webull has more complex charting features. When you look at the charts, you're going to get more information, which is really good for beginners, because pretty much when it comes to investing, you want to learn these charting features that I could do a whole nother video on. If you wanted me to do another video on these charting features, go ahead and leave a comment below. But yeah, basically you can do these charting features. And what you find is that once you understand the charting features, and you get better and better at investing and trading, you'll use them less and less. So you'll be able to just look at the chart, and you'll be able to you don't need the features anymore. But you'll really not be able to get to that point if you don't use the features to start with. So there's also some stock analyzing features, as far as highs and lows of prices, a little bit, to find out more information on the business, market cap, balance sheet, stuff like that, profit and loss. But that's pretty standard with every trading platform, with every investing platform. There's also a calendar feature that shows when earnings and dividends and splits are going to come, and I mean that'll benefit you a lot more with trading, because if you're buying and holding, you're going to get that stuff anyway. But when you're trading and you're looking to get into a certain position, you might say, okay, well, I see this company's got an earning coming up. Maybe it's a company that you know very well and you use, maybe it's a company that you buy from regularly. So you might have that insight that, hey, I go to this place, once a week, and I can see that they've had just way more inventory, way more customers in there. I'm pretty sure they're going to do pretty well at earnings. That might be something that you could benefit from. So They'll try to, when you set up an account, they'll ask you for if you want to join up for the NASDAQ level 2. It's free for 3 months. If you're a beginner, I'd say it might be a little bit advanced, but it could still benefit to you. Just know that if you sign up for that, they're going to auto bill you after those 3 months. So you're going to need to manually go and cancel that membership. Could get into a lot of stuff about Robinhood, but I still use it. I'm just not putting any more money into it for now. Maybe something will change in the future. And I am really grateful. I don't want to be talking all bad about Robinhood. I'm super grateful about Robinhood because they really changed the whole investment game. Because Robinhood was like the first exchange to come out with free trades, commission-free trades. And everyone was flocking to Robinhood. And then all these other exchanges realized like, whoa, like we need to stay competitive. So yeah, then pretty much it changed the whole game. So everyone was doing free trades. I think crypto played a part in that too, but that's another story for another day. So why do I use Webull? Originally, I did it for the free stocks. So I was like, hey, free $20 could be more. Why not? Like nothing to lose, right? Like I could just keep that 100 in there, keep the free stocks, wait for a good opportunity, and put 120 into something else. And that's what I did. Personally, I'll let you know right now, I bought Dropbox. I just took my 100 and bought Dropbox, and I just kept the like $20 in free stocks that they gave me, which I'm surprised. I didn't know anything about these companies, looked into them a little bit, but they've all gone up, just a little bit, a couple percent or whatever. But Dropbox for me has gone up way more than the free stocks that they've given me. So I probably would have been better off actually if I would have, or no, I definitely would have been better off, but it's minimal the amount if I would have just sold those free stocks right away and bought an extra share of Dropbox. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you got some value off of what I had to say. I'm trying to bring you new information with no delay so you can get rich, not quick. Because, money's coming in fast. The more you focus on that money and stay positive, you're going to find it keeps coming in. But, do what you got to do to win. Don't let other people slow you down because you're going to have a big frown if you try going to work every day thinking you're going to get rich.